All right, so today, moving right into our WH words, okay, from our story. So remember this brother Wit right there, the WH in his name, because in the story, CH likes his trains, Wit likes to come behind him and try to make the whistle of the train. So he tries to make that sound. Now, a lot of times when we tap out words and we hear a sound, it's probably going to be just W. Every now and then, though, if it's a little bit more breathy or can feel that breath, it might be WH, okay? Side note, before we get into ours, pretty much all of the question words have a WH. So the who, what, where, why, when, those are all WH words, okay? To know how to spell those is a good thing to know. All right, so let's go ahead and get to our 4 words. I'm looking at my list down here. 4 words. Pause them if you need to before you type them. I do want you to highlight the WH words. I'm going to fix this slide because I noticed it has the wrong thing on there. Okay, highlighting the WH chunks in the words, okay? So pause them when you need to, and then of course at the end there is a slide next with some review words, so make sure you do slide number 2. Okay, first word, whale. Okay, some of you might have put a whale in your ocean story last week. Whale. Some of you might know that there's a ninja E at the end of that word. Okay, pause it if you need to. Word number 2, hole. Well, this is a tricky one because at first it sounds like a hole, but it's actually a WH, my friends. And I'm putting it in here because it's a good sight word to know, okay? Okay, so try that sight word out. That's a tricky one. I kind of tossed it in there because it does have WH at the beginning. So practice it the right way, because if it's the whole group is doing it together, it's WH to start it. Now, if I have a hole in my pants, by the way, it's just an H. So good kind of way to kind of look at some of those words that sound the same but are spelled differently. If I'm talking about the whole class doing it, WH today. Okay, next word. Okay, pause it if you need to, by the way. Next word, third word, another sight word, why? Why are we doing this, right? Okay, remember that's one of the question words. So I know those question words are going to start with I. As you pause and write that, you might need to think it's not I, it's a different letter. See if you can figure it out and type it for your teacher. Okay, pause if you need to. Word number 4, what? What is going on? We've had that sight word before, okay? So I just told you all those question words, who, what, where, why, when, all start with WH. So I've got what. Remember that is different though because it's a sight word. So I want to see if you know what vowel goes in the middle. It's not it's a different vowel, okay? Excuse me, sight words are rule breakers. So see if you can get that in your typing today. Make sure that what starts the WH though, okay? All right. Pause it if you need to, and then come on back. That was the 4th word. Today you are going to do your spelling, your practice review spelling now. You can take a peek and then turn away because no peeking, mister. Write it and then go check it. Or you can do it the fun way. There's an A-B pattern. So if I'm spelling the word you, I can pick 2 colors, and the first letter I can do Y, red. Then O, purple. Y, red. And I'm trying to see if I can make a pattern with my spelling. So a little bit like Rainbow Right last week, but a little different. So you've got the word you right here. Want, my, put, are, that, what. Ooh, there it is. So if you need to go back and fix that what from earlier, WH right there, was. All right. So pick which ones that you want to practice either in your journal or on a dry erase sheet or a dry erase board from your teacher. All right. The more you practice on these review and these sight words like today, the better and easier it'll get when you're spelling. All right. Have fun.